Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla. In today's video, we are diving into a term you might heard about in the credit card and rewards space, which is double dipping. What does really mean? How can I use it to maximize your the benefits? Let's get right into uncovering the pros and cons and everything in between about double dipping. Double dipping might sound like something like you shouldn't do in a pair in a party, but in the world of rewards and points, it's a strategy that many savvy users employ to get the most out of their purchases and get the most out of their purchase and get much more benefits. Simply put, double dipping happens when you earn multiple types of rewards for the same transaction. For example, using a rewards credit card to buy something during a store promotion where you also will earn store points. So basically, you have both sides. You have the credit card benefits or points, and then you have like the store card points. So let's break it down with a real world scenario just to be more specific. Imagine you were shopping at a department store and that offer the store offers their own reward points. So you use your credit cards to that give you cash back for on all purchase. It could be whatever that product has, 3x per point, 3x points or 2 or 1, depends. So by paying with your cash back credit card, at this store you are earning both. You are earning both sides of the benefit. You are earning the store benefits and the credit card reward cashback too. So that's basically is what double dipping is. That's what we are trying to make you understand. So in the credit world, it's a financial tactic used to maximize the benefit for applying for credit products. Essentially, it allows you to apply for multiple credit products like credit cards while only triggering maybe a single hard inquiry on your credit report. It depends of the place that you are trying to get at the time. So you can do this in different ways, but basically this is the main way. You just have to try to get as much credit products you can with less amount of inquiries. If you are enjoying this video and you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, drop a comment in the description box if you have doing if you know about this, if you have done this before. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to check out my free VIP group that I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description box below. I host this community in a school platform and is basically related to money, finance, budgeting, credits, and much more. So I hope to see you in there. Coming back to the subject, sometimes financial institutions even allow what it's called triple dipping or triple dips with their products lines. So basically, in this case, you have to play it like it's all about efficiency, optimizing the timing and sequence of your credit applications. So in order to do this correctly, you have to be really strategic, smart, just to do it right in order for you to not get hit with multiple inquiries, which is what we are trying to avoid with this situation. Now, you wouldn't necessarily use the term double dip directly with a banker. Just don't do that. Instead, you might ask question like, how long is the hard inquiry valid? You can do this even, you should do this before you even apply to or consider doing this, just to have the knowledge clear in order for to get as much benefit. You, like I said, you can ask how long is the hard inquiry valid. So it could be maybe 30 days, 60 days, to see how much is the time frame that you have to apply for something else, and be don't be hit with another inquiry. Or you also can ask, like, can I apply for multiple products with one single hard inquiry? So depend of their answer, then you take the decision and see if you can play this or not. This way, you can strategically plan to get the most out of a single car credit pool. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. Starting with the pros, double dipping maximize your rewards earning without extra effort. It's efficient, boosting the value of the every dollar that you spend. Many savvy shoppers use this method during sales, promotion, increasing their reward significantly. So they are really detail oriented on when is a good opportunity for them to get into this or play this tactic or put in place this tactic. However, there is some cons to be aware of. For one, not all merchant and credit cards allow you to double dip the rewards. So some have a specific rule against earning multiple rewards at the same purchase. So it's important to know your credit card's policy. Always read the disclosure to see what you can do and what you cannot do with your products. So that way you are know and be aware of what you are getting into. So why is double dipping important? Well, it helps us to stay on the radar with the credit bureaus because basically we are getting more benefit and more rewards with less increase. So typically having more than three increase on your credit report within 6 months can flag you as a risk. So knowing this, we aim to minimize hard pulls and maximize our gains from each one. That's why we are practice this tactic because like I mentioned in multiple times, I can get more rewards or more benefit with less inquiry. So we carefully research when we are trying to do this, what we do is like we carefully research institutions based on which of the three main credit bureaus they pull from. So it could be Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. And basically remember, if a bank checks your Experian report, they won't see inquiries from Equifax or TransUnion. So this knowledge let us spread inquiries across bureaus without overlapping them, potentially lining up multiple credit cards or credit products across different reports. Imagine strategically managing, let's say, get two inquiries on bureau's report, which, if we do the math, basically what we are doing is like two inquiries on each bureau. So basically, we have three bureaus, two inquiry each is basically six credit products that we have. So we pick two banks that go to pull from Equifax, two that gonna pull experience, two that gonna pull TransUnion, and basically we got three six products, and we're just gonna be hit on each bureau twice. So not that bad, right? So that's a good deal. That's what we are trying to do. It's the same thing like if we're gonna go both and beyond, and we're gonna the max. Like I just said, we are trying to keep three inquiries per bureau in a period of 6 months. So if we go three inquiries on each bureau, that's gonna allow us to get approved for nine products. I mean, nine credit cards, so or nine credit products in general. So that's a good deal. And if the institution that you are researching allows double or triple dipping, you might secure even more. I mean, even more benefits. So that's exactly what we are trying to do over here. So one example from a few years ago was PSECU, which offer up at the time, I think it was 2022, offer up to 50K in combined credit across various products on the first day of the membership with just one hard pull. So although this opportunity has since tightened up due to the popularity, it shows the potential of such a strategy. No wonder why a lot of people took advantage of this offer at the time. So other institutions have similar offerings too that you can research. That's why you have to do your research with who you want to bank with and what they're offering at the time. It's crucial to do your research and understanding the specific of each bank or credit unions that you are trying to bank with. including any knock docs requirements. That way you are aware what you can apply and when or how you can benefit from their products. For those of you building your credit or managing a smaller number of credit products, this might seem like advanced strategy for you, but it's useful knowledge for future planning. So that way you are aware what you can do doing or using this strategy in a specific time frame or in a specific in the near future. For maximizer and business funders, leverage double dipping can be instrumental in securing substantial business credit without overextending on personal credit, which is what we are trying to do too. I mean, if we will be looking the business side, if we can use this tactic and leverage more all of those benefits and not put so much heavy weight on the personal credit, that would be amazing too. So, in my experience, I recommend maintain a lean personal credit profile with just a few key points. I mean, key accounts. This approach keeps you within desirable risk while still allowing significant opportunities for business funding using the same good credit history. Because if you're gonna go with PG, like it's personal warrant guarantee, they're gonna look your personal credit, and that will be a good behavior on your personal side too. Understanding and utilizing these credit tactics can profoundly impact your financial strategy, especially if you are looking to maximize the benefits without increasing your risk exposure. So be aware that relying too heavy on double dipping could lead you to spend more than you originally planned. Always remember that the goal is to save money, not spending more just to earn rewards, and then you get into another issue because you are overspending, and so that's we have to play these tactic smart, so that way we are aware what we are getting into. So to effectively double dip without falling into traps, always plan your purchases. Use apps or website that track promotions and rewards programs to find the best opportunities for you at the moment. It depends what your interests are. That way you are aware what the offer on those specific locations that you are into have at the time. Also, keep close eyes on your spending habits to ensure you are actually saving money and not overspending. Some great opportunities for double dipping include major shopping days like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, dining out at restaurants that offer their own rewards program. That way you can earn in not just in your financial institution, but also on the restaurant or the store you go to. What you can do is shopping through online portals that give you cashbacks on top of what you are earning on your financial institution or on your credit card. So that wraps up our dive into the double dipping. I hope this video helps you understand how you can make this strategy work for you to maximize rewards. And that's it for all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join my free VIP group for more tips and tricks. Keep optimizing, keep saving, and see you in the next video. Bye.